Everybody to KOIN 6 News at 6. I'm Jennifer Hoff.
And I'm Jeff Gianola. We haven't seen the Columbia River this high since the '96 floods. Tonight, the river is at minor flood stage.
And our Eileen Park went out with Multnomah County River Patrol and joins us live from Northeast Portland. What did they have to say, Eileen?
Jennifer, levels keep rising. It's already flooded several parks along the Columbia River. But right now, the big concern is all the debris the water is taking in. The River Patrol has not seen levels this high for years.
Even a week ago, the water wasn't near this high.
And it continues to rise.
Even so much as an engine stall in this swift-moving current can put you in a treacherous position very quickly.
Normally, the current isn't as swift as it is now?
Correct.
I asked if homes along the Columbia River are at risk for flooding. Found out, not quite yet. We're still at minor flood stage.
But in terms of risk to structure, it's not as high.
Lieutenant Chad Guidis with the Multnomah County Sheriff's Office tells me he's seen several homeless camps forced to change locations.
As currents continue to get higher, more debris comes into. I know there's been some effort in terms of our homeless population as they try and move out of the main city corridor into other areas. They've been camping near the river. Now those camps have been flooded out.
The big concern now are the swift currents. Some boats won't be able to handle them.
If somebody were to have some kind of catastrophic engine failure or something like that where their boat isn't able to be operational, the water's going to take them fast. So as they move away or as they lose engine power and start drifting down the river, they're moving twice as fast as they ordinarily would be.
And right now, water levels continue to rise. It's expected to rise about a foot by the end of the week, which would mean more treacherous conditions for boaters, and it could mean more parks getting flooded. We'll be keeping a close eye on this day by day. We're live in Portland. I'm Eileen Park. Back to you.
Pretty incredible with all this record rain that we've had over the past few